Federal agencies are not investing enough into the maintenance for these facilities. Constructed in the 60s, some back in the 50s, these buildings continue to age and the problem just becomes exponential.
It is the age-old question of less money now, but in the future it's going to be a lot more and a lot worse. So having a facility down for months, weeks, years is sometimes not possible in a lot of these office spaces or other facilities.
Backlog management is really reactive accounting. Asset stewardship is risk management. We stop seeing a lot of the reactive maintenance and emergency work orders, and we start shifting more into a strategic focus.
At Salas O'Brien, we really do have the depth and breadth of engineers, technicians, and resources to take care of facilities from turnover at design all the way through sustainment, operations, and maintenance through the extended future.
We operate at the intersection of mission-critical infrastructure, federal compliance, complex design build, including building automation, and risk-informed management.
We help them identify and put together their own specific tiered maintenance process for all their facilities.
Convene a meeting between the facilities engineering, the finance team, and the mission owner, and ask the question, if 3 systems were to fail this year, what would be the most impact on our mission success?
Helping them understand what they own and the maintenance responsibilities that they have to those assets really helps set the stage for future work that needs to happen.
It's all about just prioritizing where their funding's going. These facility managers, they know what they're doing. They have the knowledge to make the changes necessary, but they really just need to take that first step. And if they can continue to just keep taking one step after another, they'll continue that momentum and we'll see eventual change throughout the organization.